Previous video we have seen how to construct a regular expression to epsilon NFA, that is building the epsilon NFA from for the given regular expression. So we'll take one more example to build epsilon NFA for the regular expression 0 plus 1 whole star followed by 0 1 followed by 0 plus 1 whole star. So if we split up this as this is a machine for this 0 plus 1 whole star and machine for 0 1 and machine for 0 plus 1 whole star, then it is a concatenation. So I just have to take the final state of this and make it to the final state of this, and final state of this to the start state of this, and final state of this machine will be the entire final state of the entire machine. So the regular expressions machines will be the epsilon NFA will be, so this is 0 plus 0 or 1, and whenever it is plus it is a parallel connection, and I have added a new start state and epsilon transition to the start states of the 0 and 1, and added a final state, and because it is star I have added the epsilon here as well as here. Next is 0 1, and because it's a concatenation epsilon transition to this, and this is 0 plus 1 whole star. So this will be your machine for the entire regular expression. So likewise for any regular expression I can build epsilon NFA. Let us see some algebraic laws of the regular expression. So first one is a commutative law. So E plus F is equal to F plus E. Suppose you have a regular expression E and F, then the concatenation will be not concatenation, that is union will be E plus F or F plus E will give the same set of strings as well as the language. Next, associativity over the plus operator and the associativity over the concatenation. Concatenation is not commutative but it is associative. That is EF concatenated with G will be equal to E concatenated with FG. But EF is not equal to FE, but it is associative. And identity, that is E plus phi is equal to E, and epsilon into E is equal to E plus epsilon is equal to E. That is phi is the identity for union and epsilon is the identity for the concatenation, because if I perform the union of phi with E, I am going to get E itself, and if I perform the concatenation of epsilon with E, I will be getting E itself. So epsilon is the identity for concatenation and phi is the identity for union. Next is an annihilator. That means if I do the phi into E is equal to E into phi will be equal to phi. If I concatenate E with phi or phi with E, I will be getting phi itself. So we call it as a phi as an annihilator. Next is the distributive law, which says that E into F plus G is equal to EF plus EJ. That is distributive law of concatenation over union, and this is union over concatenation, that is FE plus GE. Next is the idempotent, that is E plus E is equal to E. Next is some clean closures, that is E star whole star is equal to E star and phi star is equal to epsilon, because as I told, phi star is nothing but phi raised to 0, phi raised to 1, phi raised to 2, something like that. So phi raised to 0 is epsilon, phi raised to 1 is phi itself, phi raised to 2 is again phi itself. So you will get only epsilon. Epsilon whole raised to star is epsilon itself, and E plus is nothing but one or more occurrences of the strings from E, that is nothing but E concatenated with E star. Next is E question mark is nothing but E followed by one character, which is nothing but epsilon or E. So we'll stop here. Thank you.